Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. So I think it's very possible that 29,700 was the top of a bull trap, and we're looking at an epic move to the downside very soon. So I'm going to cover this. This is the H1 chart. I'll cover this in just a bit. By the way guys, if you watched the last video, I'll put a link up to it now. I told you guys I was giving away 2 of these 1 ounce silver coins. All you had to do was like, comment, subscribe in the last video. So I'll be picking the 2 winners from that previous video. But same thing with this video, guys. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And the next video, I'll pick the 2 winners from this video. Before we pick those winners, I just want to cover a few things. I am currently in my short. I closed my long. This is Big It, guys. If you want to sign up, links pinned in the first comment description. I also have a tutorial I'll put up if you want to learn how to trade. I'll put a link up to that now. By the way, the founder of Big It opened a new exchange called CoinCatch. So if you're in the US and you're looking for a great exchange to trade on that you do not need a VPN and you do not need to do KYC, well, again, this is a fairly new exchange, so jump on it while you can. My link, if you want to support me, is pinned in the first comment description. So if you want to sign up, use that link. So let's get on to this, guys. If you want to get access to Discord and these live charts, again, the link sent to my website is also pinned in the first comment description. I made a post here yesterday. I said I'll be closing my long around 29.8K, and I said actually I'll do it around 29,750. It's always better to get out a little early just in case. And this is what I was talking about in Discord as well, and I mentioned this in the previous video, why 29,800 was a key resistance level. You can see we found perfect support. So let me cover this chart. I'm going to go through these pretty quick, just give you support just to pay attention to. So again, this is the H1 chart, and you can see up here, this was back in July. Notice that this is a fib channel line, guys. Notice back here it was support, right? Flipped as resistance, and then we had a little fake out above, right? Fake out, came back down, tested as a resistance, and then we had a drop. Well, if you notice, and this is just a fib channel line, guys, just have a white line over it so it stands out. Notice we pushed above it, right? A little fake out, came back below, pushed above it, fake out, and you can see right now we are testing the bottom of this channel. We found perfect support right at 29,230. So if and when we break below 29,240, well, it's very possible the same thing is going to play out. So if we just come from this point down to here, and this would be a bear flag, and we come down, that would put us right down to this next fib channel line, about 29,372. That could hold as support. It could flip as resistance. I will chance along around 28,300. There's a lot of liquidity on the heat maps, and have a lot of charts in confluence with that target. If we do break 29,240, that would be the point I'm watching 28,300. Of course, your current support right now is 29,240, and your current resistance just above 29,394, and your major resistance right now is 29,487. If you watched previous video, I made it very clear. If we push up, great point to short is 29,815. Just in case we have more push up. But again, you see the confluence on this fib channel line. This was resistance, support, 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 support. So if we come down, this is another fib channel line and confluence around 28,300 around that area. And again, this is what I showed in the last video, 29,764. That's why I'm currently running a short. This is a very key fib channel line. This is the L1 chart if you have access. And this is just another chart, guys. This is a peak of the bull run chart. Now, if you zoom out, you can see this white line right here. This is our current support, right? Uh-oh, hold on. Didn't want to give you an arrow. I want to give you a brush. So current support. And so if we drop down, that more macro pattern we're in, that support level would be around 28,122. Notice this ring right here. We found perfect resistance and drop from that point. So it's very possible, and there's a lot of confluence here. You have your support trend line. You have this ring right at 28,122. So again, a lot of support around 28,100 to 28,300. That's why being ideal point to chance along. How far to ride it up, we'll make another video and we see how this plays out. If you watched the last video too, guys, I told you as far as the Dow Jones, 35,668 was a key resistance level. We're at that right now. Have to see if that breaks or if it holds and we have a retrace down to at least 34,820. Also covered the DXY. You can see I told you 100.1 was support. Notice we had this little fake out to the downside. Now we're pushing up. So the DXY is actually pushing up right now, which makes me think we could have some downside for the Dow. And I already showed you it's very possible we keep breaking down from this, well, a bear flag, it looks like to me. Okay, guys. Also, pay attention to the heat maps. You can see all of this liquidity down below around 28,000. Look where my cursor's at to the right, just above 28,000. It's like 28,200, 28,300. So again, it's very possible you can send it down, take out this liquidity, push it back up, take out liquidity above, and then more downside. Because I still believe we're in a bear market, and this is just a bear market rally. Okay, guys, in regards to the coins, remember if you want to get 2 of these coins, same thing, just leave a like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll pick the winners to give away 2 more of these coins. So let's go ahead and pick the winners. So as you can see, this is the video link right here. Let me verify that. Let's see here. Yeah, NTGM. Okay, so let's see who the first winner is. Fetch. Let's see, select a filter. Okay, let's just go. Alright, I've never used this before, so hopefully this one works. Okay, yes, pick a winner. Okay, the first winner is Jeffrey Lay. So I'm going to pick the next winner in just a second, but I just want to give you directions how this is going to work. If you are a winner, what I want you to do is email me through the website, links pinned in the first comment description. I will give you a code. I will get you to edit your comment. Do not delete your comment. Leave the same comment, just edit it and add the numbers I give to you to the end so I can verify it's you, and then I'll get your shipping information, send the coin out to you. So the first winner is Jeffrey Lay. Let's do one more. Let's see if I can do this. Pick a winner. Crypto's investor in and trading. Yeah, I don't know about this one because I don't know if this is just someone. Yeah, we're gonna skip that. Sorry, that's just an odd name. So ignore that one. Let's go to the next one. All right, Katie Sisk. So Katie Sisk is the winner, and I forgot the previous name, but again, I can go back to the video and verify. So those are the 2 winners. Again, guys, just send me an email if you're one of the 2 winners, and I'll send you that code back to edit your comment. But same thing, just leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and in the next video I'll pick the 2 other winners. Again, guys, if you do want to sign up here in the US and you want to trade futures, don't have to worry about a VPN or KYC, make sure you check out CoinCatch. My link if you want to sign up is pinned in the first comment description. But that's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. Until the next video, I'm out.